In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the enemy stealing runes. So, in Elden Ring Nightreign, there are random events that can happen in each run, and the enemy stealing runes guy is one of them, and you can only find them because it spawns like this black locust thingy that sprawl on the ground. So the way that you can find them is by looking up and looking where the direction of the black swarm goes. So you just need to follow that. And mostly sentient pest is on the upper left of the map. But once you follow that, you can find the sentient pest. So it's not the stronger, like the strongest version of the sentient pest, but it's the weakest. You're just gonna fight the moth of sentient pest. So it's really easy to beat them if you have fire or decent damage. I soloed it in my run, so you just need to follow the black swarm up, and you will just keep following it, and you will see like the black swarm piling up. And once you find that, the sentient pest boss mini boss event is gonna spawn, and it's gonna give you a power up. Once you defeated it, you will gain the power up of critical hit, earns you runes. So when you critical hit, you earn runes like 15,000 I think per crit, which is really really good. But unfortunately, I think it only spawns on day 2 or day 1, so it depends on how good it is, on how early you get the buff. So yeah, guys, that's how you can get the sentient pest, or like the enemy stealing runes. So that's how you find it, and get your level back. If you guys like this video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and turn on notification. And as always, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.